Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And if you're looking into getting into stained glass, then you may not know where to start. And that's exactly where I found myself at. But I was able to get this advanced kit from ARTKINGTO, and it helped me have all of the basics in order to begin. Pretty much all these tools I'd never heard of before, but thankfully the kit comes with running pliers that you use to break the glass, and then Grosser pliers in order to break off pieces of the glass. And then when it comes to the foiling process, they send you so many things to choose from. Copper foil with black and silver backing, or even scalloped edges and different sizes. And there's foil applicating tools as well as a burnisher. Then when you get to actually blocking out your tiles, this comes with a really nice cork working board and heat resistant silicone, which is a layout blocking system so that you can put your design onto the cork board and actually solder it right there. Of course, you're going to have tons of shards of glass and things flying everywhere. So you're definitely going to want to use the cutting mat that comes with it. This has little spaces underneath that will capture all of those smaller pieces so that they're not all over the floor or in your workspace. I'm really pleased by the quality and the comprehensive amount of things that come with this kit. I was able to implement using them immediately to start on my stained glass journey. I think you're going to like it as much as I have, and that's my point of view.